Um, Hi, hello everybody. Good evening. It's evening today, and I'm really sorry uh, for posting this video late. Actually, I started with my video, and I think my hand got clicked on that stop button, and then I have to redo it. So, okay, so today is our day 5. I'll just continue what I've written. So, today is our day 5, okay, and today the topic is division with a lower base number. Division with a lower base number, that is 99, 98, 97, 96, 95, 94, 93, 92 and 91. But today I will be covering only from 99 to 96. Okay, so now what I'm telling is, see, any number between 99 to 91. Okay, let me take a number 99. So any number will have a lower base and a higher base. Okay, so now lower base of 99 is 90 and higher base of 99 is 100. Similarly, any number between 91 to 99, okay, uska lower base will be 90 and higher base will be 100. So now, for example, if I have to divide a number 157 divided by 99, so how are we going to do it with a Vedic math technique? See, first thing you all have to remember that whenever we are dividing, so 99, okay, 99 number, whenever we are going to divide this number, we have to keep this higher base in our mind, higher base 100 in our mind. Okay, now why higher base 100 in our mind, I will tell you. So 157 divided by 99. Okay, so what you have to remember, यहाँ पे 100 है बराबर, higher base is 100. So units tens, you will divide this 157, you will divide this 157 after the, you will एक दरार पैदा करनी है. There will be a fight between 100 and tens always. Okay, so because it is 100, okay, because it is 100, higher base is 100. Okay, so after unit and tens, okay, after this tens and 100 के बीच में you have to put one crack. Now why crack, I will tell you all. Why the crack, I will tell you all. Because this one, okay, this one, like before the splitting up, this one will be your Q, okay, and this 5 and 7, 57 will be your small r, will be your small r. Now the formula to divide 157 divided by 99 is Q plus R. Okay, now actual formula is what, you know, actual formula to for us to get the answer of this, for us to get the answer of this, iska actual formula is Q capital R, where capital R is equal to Q plus small r. Okay, actual formula is Q and R, that is quotient and remainder. Okay, but big R is equal to Q plus small r. Now can somebody tell me, when I have to divide by 99, when I have to divide by 99, I take this formula Q plus R. Whereas where I have to divide with 99, when I have to divide with 98, I take 2Q plus R. Q, 2Q plus R. Similarly, when I have to divide with 97, I will take Q, 3Q plus R. And when I have to divide with 96, I will take Q, 2Q plus R. Now can somebody tell me why 99 में 1Q, 98 में 2Q formula, 97 में 3Q, 96 में 96 में this is 4Q, okay, 4Q. You know why? Because we will compare this with our higher base value. So 99, 100 minus 99 कितना होता है? 1. That's why 1Q. 100 माइनस 98 कितना होता है? हायर बेस से जब तुम ये लोअर बेस 98 माइनस करते हो तो कितना होता है? 2Q, right? Similarly, when you take 97, 3Q, because 100 minus 97 becomes 3Q. 96, 4q. अभी 95 है तो 5q, but today we are just doing till 96, so I will just teach you all till 96. Okay, so as I told you all, if we have to take 157 divided by 99, so our first step is to put a darar between the numbers. So you all know 100 है इसका higher base, value is 100, so tens और 100 के बीच में 1 दरार, whereas 1 is your q, 57 is your r. Now I will do it. I will substitute, and because we are dividing by 99, what is our formula? q plus r. So let's substitute. q का value is 1, again bracket में 1 plus small r का value is 57. So 1 bracket 58. So your answer for 157 divided by 98 is 1.58. Understood? So this becomes your quotient, this becomes your remainder. Okay, and so this bracket is nothing but a dot, it's a point, okay, decimal. So 1.58 is your answer. Now let me take another sum. This was example 1. Let me take another example 2. Other example is any number 1009 divided by 99. So my first step is 1009 unit tens and hundreds के बीच में दरार. This is my q value, this is my small r value. Okay, so now start. I'll substitute q plus r, because I'm dividing by 99, my formula is going to be q plus r. So q is 10 plus 09. So what is my answer? 10 plus 09 ka 10 bracket 19. Okay, so 10.19 is my answer. Got it? Now there is a twist in this sum. There is a twist which will come further. Okay, now example we'll take 157 divided by 98. Okay, second 98 से अगर मुझे उसको divide करना है, so what will I do? 157. Okay, first of all 98 का higher base is again 100. Okay, so unit tens and 100 के बीच में दरार. This one is my q, 57 is my r, but because I am dividing with 98, what is going to be my formula? q, 2q plus r, right? So that is 1, 2 into 1 plus 57, that is 1, 2 plus 57, right? That is 159. So my answer is 1.59. Okay, so this was for that same sum. Now let me do one more sum. Okay, example 4 of example 4 only I'll write. Okay, one sec, I'll just clean my screen. Yeah, so example 4 is 5721. Okay, divided by 98. Okay, so now because it is 98, first tell me what is going to be the formula. Yes, q, 2q plus r. Okay, now 5721 को मैं कैसे डिवाइड करूँगी? यूनिट टेंस एंड हंड्रेड्स के बीच में. So whereas 57 is q and 21 is r. So my formula I'll substitute 57, 2 into 57 plus 21. बराबर? Yes. So 57 and first let me do this. 114 plus 21. So what is it? 57 plus 21, 5, 3, 1, 135. Now see, now here is a punch, okay? Here is a punch. The punch is, now 135 is greater than your 98, okay? 135 is greater than the number which you are dividing, right? You are dividing with. So what you will do, you will consider 57 bracket 135 as your first answer, okay? And what you will do, you will further divide 135 divided by 98 you will do. Okay. In this again you will follow the same technique. 135 unit tens 100. Same formula, q 2q plus small r. Okay. Now after q 2q plus r substitute. यहाँ पे 1 this is q, this is r. So 1 2 into 1 plus 35. That is 1 2 plus 35. It becomes 137. This is your answer number 2. Now y'all just tell me, can one sum have two answers? Can 5721 divided by 98 have two answers? No. In that case, what you do, you merge these two answers. Now, how do you merge it? Whenever you have more answers, like then a single answer, what you do, you just add the quotient. That is 57 plus 1 you do. 57 plus 1 and in remainder will be of your last answer. Remainder will be of your last answer. So, your answer for this is 58 bracket 37. So, your answer is 58.37. Okay. I will solve one more sum. Okay. Like this. Example number 5. 6825 divided by 98. Okay. In this case, what will I do? Same thing, because it is 98. My formula is going to be q 2q plus small r. Okay. Now split the number. Unit tens और hundreds के बीच में you will split. So 68 becomes your q, 25 becomes your r. So let's substitute 68, 2 into 68 plus 25. So that is 68, 2 8 is 16, 12, 13 plus 25. 68, 161. Okay. Now 161 is greater than 98. So what will I take? I will take this as my answer number 1. And I will further divide 161 divided by 98. Unit tens 100. This becomes my q. This becomes my r. Formula is q 2q plus r. Okay. That becomes 1. 1 into 2 plus 61. 2 plus 61 becomes 33. So this becomes my answer number 2. Now what did I tell you all? We need only one answer. So you all will merge. See, sometimes it's not necessary you all will get only two answers. You all might get 3 answers, 4 answers also. In all those cases where you all have 3 or 4 answers also, you are just going to add the quotient of all the answers and remainder will be of your last answer. Okay. So I'm going to add 68 plus 1, that is 69 bracket, and I'll take the remainder of the last answer. So my answer is 69.63. Okay. Am I clear to everybody? Okay. Now let me solve an example with 97. First we'll take a basic 157 divided by 97. Okay. Because it is 97, I'm sure all of you all know what is the formula. Q 3q plus small r. Now I'll divide unit tens and 100. This is my q, this is my small r, right? So let me take 1, 3 into 1 plus 57. That becomes 1 and 60. Barabar? That is 3 plus 57 becomes 60. So my answer is 1.60. Okay, this was a simple example. Now I will show you where we have 2, 3 answers. Okay. Example number 7. Okay, I'll do it on the next page because sorry for that. Because because I think we'll have a bigger sum this time. So yeah, so example number 8 or whichever it is. Let me take the number as 7251 divided by 97. So we know it is 97. So our formula is going to be q 3q plus r. I think this should be clear to everybody by now. So q So unit tens ek darar. So 72 becomes the Q and 51 becomes the small r. Is it clear? So let's substitute 72, 3 into 72 plus 51. Okay, so 72 okay, plus 51. I will add that number, it becomes 267. So now this is bigger, right? I'm going to further divide it, but first I will put it in the dining table like this, and I will mark it as answer number 1. Let's further divide 267 divided by 97. Same thing, the formula 3q plus q, 3q plus small r. Okay, unit tens divided between the tens and the hundreds. Okay, this becomes my q, 67 becomes my r. So 2, 3 into 2 plus 67, that becomes 2, 6 plus 67, it becomes 2, 73. Okay, now this is smaller than 97, so this becomes my answer number 2. Now as I told you all, we need one answer, so add the quotient of answer 1 and answer 2. So 72 plus 2 is 74, in the bracket 73. So my answer is 74.73. Now I want to tell you all one more thing. Sometimes what happens when you all try to recheck or check it on the calculator after decibel, you know, मतलब कभी कभी calculator will give you a very precise answer 74.732104522223. So because of that bigger number, and if the number is above 5 or above 6, your decibel का एक point gets changed. तो कभी कभी after point वाला will be changed, but there won't be a greater difference. Okay, this is understood. If you all do by this method, and if there is some decibel ka point, nobody is going to give it wrong to you. Okay, so don't worry. So this was for a 97 ka example. Now let's take 96 ka example. Okay, अपना basic example पहले 157 divided by 96, because it is division with 96, our formula is going to be q 4q plus small r. Okay, now unit tens, I split the number like this. Okay, so where your 1 is q and 57 is your r. So q, that is 1, 4 into 1 plus 57. 1, 4 plus 57. That becomes 1. Okay, so your answer is 1.61. Now let's take a bigger example, like really bigger example. Example number 10. Okay, because so you all will have an idea. Multiple answers I'll get this time. 12974 divided by 96. Okay, 12974 divided by 96. Same, q 4q plus r, and unit tens and 100 के बीच में दरार. So now your q is 129 and 74 is your small r. So let's substitute 129, 4 into 129 plus 74. 129, 4, 516 plus 74. 590. Okay, so this becomes your answer number 1. Because 590 is greater than 96, I will further divide it. 590 divided by 96. So 0, 9 and 5 unit tens. So q 4q plus small r. So it becomes q, that is 5. 4 into 5 plus 90. Okay, it becomes 5. 20 plus 90. Okay, so this is again greater than, barabar, this is again greater than 96. So I will further divide it. Good, I got some sum like this. Okay, 110 divided by 96 again. So unit tens, yeah, 1 into 4 plus 10, 1. This is 1 into 4 is the formula. Okay, I hope it's clear. Q, 4q plus r. Yeah, I just substituted. Q was 1 into 4 plus 10. Okay, so it becomes 1 and 14. Okay, so now this 14 is chota, so I put this also. So now, as I told you all, we have 3 answers: answer 1, answer 2, answer 3. So what are we supposed to do? We are supposed to add all the quotients together. So 129 plus 5 plus 1. Okay, what am I supposed to do? 129 plus 5 plus 1, 135. Okay, it becomes 135. And what did I tell you all? What should be your remainder? The remainder of the last answer will be considered, 14. So your answer is 135.14. I hope this is clear. Okay, one more bigger sum like this. Example number 10. Okay, example number 10. Let's take 22572. Random. Okay, some random numbers I'm taking. Divide by 96. So as usual you are going to divide it as unit tens के बाद एक दरार 100 और 10s के बीच में. 72 is your r and 225 is your quotient q. Okay, because it is 96, our formula is going to be throughout q 4q plus r, smaller r. So let's substitute. Q 225, 4 into 225 plus 72 बराबर. I have substituted the values. 225 wait 225 into, one second, I'm just calculating. 900, this becomes 900 plus 72, this becomes 225 972. Okay, this becomes my first answer. Because 972 is greater than 96, I have to further divide it. 972 divided by 96. Again unit tens और hundreds के बीच में दरार. Okay, so let's do it. And the formula you know, q 4q plus r. So 9, 4 into 9 plus 72 that is 9. 4 9s are 36 plus 72. This becomes 108. Okay, but because 108 is further greater than 96, we are going to further divide it. 108 divided by 96, unit tens और 100 के बीच में दरार. This becomes your q, this becomes your r. Formula you know, q 4q plus r. Okay, so let's substitute 4 into 1 plus 08. That becomes